Crikey, mates. G'day, it's the Nature Guy here, and I've found some amazing discoveries that I'll share with you. And I'll share for you with all your friends and families and all those potential clients out there about the amazing, wonderful little critters that we can all have some fun with. That's right, new product, new service, special message. The Nature Guy here can find it and share that to the world. Oh, crikey, mates. That one over there, that's a real rare one. I'm gonna go give him a little tickle, let him know he's my friend.